welcome to my channel DK Tutoring. In last video we have seen about while loop, and in this video we will learn how to use until loops in shell scripting. Until loops are almost similar to while loop with a slight difference. So the syntax for while loop is somewhat like this: while, then starting bracket is denoted by do, then some statement that you want to execute or evaluate, that is commands, and finally done to close the bracket. Similar to while loop, there is until loop in shell scripting. So let's understand the difference between while loop and until loop. So first of all, while loop, which terminates when condition becomes false. So for example, say if you write I is less than 5. So whenever I becomes greater than or equals to 5, at that time this loop will become break. But in converse to this, until terminates when condition becomes true. And syntax for until loop is same as that of while, only the slight difference is here is a word until at the place of while. Along with this while loop and until loop, we are about to study the for loop and array in this tutorial. So first of all is for loop. So the syntax for loop is like this: for variable, then numbers of element or array or global variable like file. Then it will execute the commands at many times, command 1, command 2 up to the command n, and finally done. With this the loop will terminate. Okay, then array in the shell script is declared like this: name of 0, name of 1, name of 2, name of 3. So here 0, 1, 2, 3 is the index value. So like these you can individually declare the array elements, or if you want to combinedly declare the array elements, then syntax is like this: numbers from 1 to 8. Okay, so for example, say numbers is a variable which contain the number from 1 to 8. So declaration syntax is numbers is equals to, in between round bracket, 1 space 2 space 3 space up to the 8. And there is a note like there is a space after each number. So here round bracket is used and elements are separated by space, not by comma. Okay, right? And with respect to C programming languages, curly brackets are used to describe the array. But here in shell we use round brackets for declaration. Okay, so let's see the previous program for while loop. In while loop terminates when condition becomes false. Okay, so this condition I is less than 5 is false here. And with respect to until loop, here until terminates when condition becomes true. So we have to change the condition, like here I have to write here until. Okay, then first we have to change the until loop. Okay, at the place of while loop, then I'll write here minus GE at the place of minus LE. So here greater than condition is true. Okay, then try to run the program. Go to terminal /while.sh. See, I'll get the numbers from 1 to 4. Why it is happening here? Because this condition minus greater than means GE is false whenever we start our attempt, our script from I is equals to 1. So this I is greater than or equals to 5 checks for false condition. So I want to print the numbers from 1 to 5. So I just write here greater than at the place of greater than equals to. Okay, let's try to run the program. Save this program and write here while.sh. See, I get the numbers from 1 to 5. Similarly, we will see how to use for loop in shell scripting. So this is the shebang symbol and this is a comment is for loop. Okay, so we'll write for loop like this: for, then variable denoted by var, in 1 space 2 space 3 space 4 space 5 space 6 space 7 space 8 space 9 space 10. Okay, then do is for starting bracket, then echo is for printing, dollar variable, and done is for close the bracket. Let's try to run the program. Save this program, go to terminal, /for.sh, permission denied, so I have to change the mod here, chmod 754, my file name. Again try to run the program. See, I get the number from 1 to 10. Okay, so this loop will execute it 10 times. Okay, so how we'll try to run this program with the help of an array? We'll declare the array as, here I'll write array. Okay, I just okay, at the place of this I write here array. How to declare array? Array is equals to, in between round bracket I'll write these numbers which is separated by space, not by comma. Okay, then var in, at the place of these numbers I'll write here dollar, then curly brackets, and in between curly brackets I'll write here array @. Okay, then do echo $var done. So this loop will execute it 10 times. Let's try to run the program. Go to terminal, /for.sh, syntax error, unexpected token. Okay, so here I'll not give space. Again try to run the program. See, I get the number from 1 to 10. Okay, so I hope this loops part is clear with you. If you have any doubts or queries, then write your queries in comment box, or you can contact me in the Telegram group. The link is in the description. So guys, meet you in next video. Bye for now and enjoy learning.